Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Today we're having our first look at the latest addition to DJI's Osmo series. Of course, we're talking about the DJI Action 2. This little camera has a lot of powerful, impressive features, so let's dive right in and see what it can do. The Action 2 comes in two different kits. We have the Action 2 Power Combo and this one here, the Action 2 Dual Screen Combo. We will be using the Dual Screen Combo for today's unboxing video. Regardless of which kit you go for, the top piece is exactly the same with the Action 2 series. The bottom piece is what separates the two between the Power Combo and the Dual Screen Combo. The Power Combo does not have a screen on the front, so cannot help you frame selfies, whereas the Dual Screen Combo absolutely does. The top piece is waterproof to 10 meters. And it has an internal battery that can last up to 70 minutes when recording in 1080p. This means that you actually have no charging port here. It's fully waterproof, and that will allow you to dive under with this one. The bottom piece by itself is not waterproof. However, there is a deep dive housing which will be able to dive with both pieces connected to one another. When using the top piece, you have 22 gigabytes of internal storage. Now that's not a lot of space if you're recording 4K video. Of course, when you put it on the bottom piece, not only do you get additional battery, but you have the ability to put a micro SD card slot in the bottom. That's going to expand your storage exponentially, and you can put up to 256 gigabyte cards in the bottom of that piece. Obviously, one of the first things you'll notice compared to its predecessor is the size. It is quite literally half the size. Now that's pretty impressive considering you now have double the frame rate in 4K. Of course, we now have the HorizonSteady as well, which makes the stability even more impressive than we had with RockSteady for the Action 1. So the biggest addition, of course, to the Action 2 is the new HorizonSteady. Now this advanced algorithm is much more significant than RockSteady. It actually means you can fully spin your camera 360 degrees and your shot will be unaltered and remain horizon level. This is really, really cool if you wanted to go and shoot something, potentially going down a ski slope or something along those lines where you would be tilting to and from. RockSteady will smooth that kind of motion out, but you will still have your entire angle of the shot rotate. With HorizonSteady, it will stay completely level. Really, really impressive by DJI. You get a number of attachments in the dual screen combo. You get your kind of generic GoPro Action adapter, which can go straight onto the camera itself, or you can have the dual screen module attached as well. And then you can put that on the GoPro attachment as well. We also have this magnetic ball joint adapter mount, which will also allow you to magnetically connect the top and bottom pieces to there, but it also doubles as a sticky pad and a tripod mount as well. So if you have a handle or something like that that requires a 1/4 inch tripod thread, that can screw on straight there, or you can put onto this sticky pad and you can stick it somewhere. I'm thinking the front of your surfboard, something along those lines, maybe even the dashboard of your car. But it is a reusable sticky rubber system, so you can actually peel this off and use it multiple times and clean it with water if you want to get more of the sticky surface back. Of course, then the last one that we have in the dual screen combo is the necklace adapter. Now this is the weakest of all of the adapters because this is relying just on that magnetic system. Clip it on like that and you can record that nice point of view. You can also put this through your shirt and you can have it this way as well, if you don't want necessarily to have the necklace in shot. What's great about this shot here is obviously I can no longer see the screen, but if I pull my phone out and connect it to the camera through DJI Mimo, through Bluetooth, I can then get the live POV and I can see if the shot is what I need it to be. Well, that's about all we have time for today in today's video, but we have these Action 2s in stock and available at all of our stores around Australia. You can also order them online at d1store.com.au. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.